Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a compound interest problem for the competitive exams. Now to find the compound interest, let me first write the amount. Amount is nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. Now P is nothing but the principal, R is nothing but the rate of interest and n is nothing but the number of years. So now I can write compound interest. Compound interest is nothing but amount minus the principal, or amount is nothing but principal plus the interest. Say a problem, if a sum of money doubles itself in 3 years at compound interest, then how many years will it be 4 times? Now I have taken the sum to be x. We know the formula, amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. Now they have told me it doubles itself in 3 years. So I am going to write in place of amount 2x because I have taken the sum to be x. So it doubles. So 2x equal to principal is going to be x into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power 3 because the number of years is 3 years. Now if I cancel x and x, I am left with 2 equal to 1 plus R by 100 the whole power 3. Now my question is, in how many years it will become 4 times? So only if I square, I'll get 4 here. So let me square on both sides. So I get 4 equal to 1 plus R by 100 the whole power 6 because 3 2s are 6. Now let me multiply on both sides by x. I get 4x equal to x into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power 6. Now my amount has become 4 times the sum. Therefore, the sum will become 4 times in a period of 6 years. Friends, we'll be seeing more of these competitive exam based questions in the following videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.